po yung kainan dito, mga German nationals pala yung nandito who are enjoying the pinikpikan meal here in Baguio Convention Center. Nandito po tayo. And again, ayan, nakita natin still ongoing, kanya-kanyang linis afterwards. Nakalagay dyan, clean as you go. After you eat, you have to clean, and para naman meron pang gamit ng tables and chairs. Again, mahaba yung pila doon sa labas. Around 100 people lang doon pa nakapila at the moment. And ngayon nga, ayan, nakikita natin still everybody's enjoying. It's an early dinner. Ayan. Some of our performers are here coming out from the Baguio Convention Center. Sir, yan. Maybe nating media from Public Information Office. Sila. So yan. Here in Convention Center tayo. Yan. Natin. Mahaba pa rin yung pila doon. I think I have to cover that part. Stay tuned, this is Baguio Vlogs and